Have you ever wondered, how do you make an electric piano from scratch? Well, today we're going to recreate both of these sounds, and this video is inspired by Tame Impala's hit song, The Less I Know, The Better. The original was made using a DX7, but not everybody has access to that, so we're going to be remaking it using a free plugin. To do this, we're going to think about the sound in two layers. The foundation is going to be a mellow sound, and the second layer is going to add character to the sound. First, let's make the foundation layer. Start with a sine wave. To make it sound more like an electric piano, add FM from oscillator 2. Set this to a sine as well and turn the volume down. Now we use envelope 2 to control the amount, but don't go above a quarter. To add some personality to the sound, let's work on layer 2. Let's duplicate the preset we just made and tweak the settings. Go into oscillator 2 and set it to a higher pitch. I've counted across to the 14th one. And we're also going to fine tune the envelopes. If you don't want to waste time trying to copy every single setting, I'll leave a link in the description so you can download the preset and use it in your music. So far we've made the basic preset, but now I'm going to show you 5 ways you can personalize it so it works in your music. When I was listening to the Tame Impala version, something I realized is that they alternate between playing both layers together and just a mellow foundation layer. This makes the chord progression sound a lot more interesting. And you could also arrange the layers like this to create contrast between the verses and choruses. Tip number 2, add processing. To make the electric piano wider, add a chorus or some sort of modulation plugin. If you've got any other ideas of how we can process this sound, let us know in the comments. If you want a mellower sound, reduce the envelope amount. If you want a brighter sound, increase it. Tip number 4, if you want the electric piano to be more dynamic, increase the velocity tracking. And this is going to add volume variation between each note. Tip number 5, with natural instruments, usually the harder you play, the brighter the sound gets. To imitate this in Vital, drag velocity to the envelope amount. So now when you play harder on the keyboard, the electric piano is going to have another tone. If you've got a suggestion for a future video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.